Hey Rishboro, are you ready for your next enrichment challenge? I hope so. Today we're going to do something fun. We're going to make paper airplanes. So you're going to want to use the document that's in the Google Classroom first, and you're going to look at the 2 sites that show how to make the paper airplanes, and then you need to practice. There's also a video that you probably want to watch first that talks about thrust and lift and gravity work together to make your paper airplanes. So check those out first and then start designing. Alright, so we just finished the Harrier, I think that's how you say it. And the Harriet?
I don't
know. You're going to watch the video. We can watch it again. So we all followed the same video. We did it at the same time. We stopped. Everybody hold up your airplanes. Yet they don't look exactly alike. So you might find that happens too. So you can try to remake them. I suggest don't refold it. Get another piece of paper. You can use any paper and see if you can make it look exactly the same, because it's science, right? Or we're going to test out those. So we're going to the second one because it's probably going to be our favorite.
Yay!
Martins! So the Martins are all going to make Martins next.
Excuse me, sir.
Whoa!
What?
Let's go back.
Wait, did it go this way?
I don't know.
I can't do it.
Well, wait, we just watched it for 1 second.
Oh! No, that's not right. I thought it flips it over. Down. What happened?
I think you forgot to puff it out.
You got it, Dave?
Yeah, I got it.
That's weird. Stop it.
As you can see, we had a lot of trouble with the tail and we had to cut lots of pieces of paper. So if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. Just use more paper. We have 5 airplanes if you watch the whole video. If you didn't, you might have 1 airplane. So since we have 4 people here, we're gonna pick our favorite. You can pick the same favorite as someone in your household.
This is Martin.
The Martin was Galaxy Fighter, might have been the hardest to make. I don't know, what was this one? The Blackburn, I kind of like. Or the Harrier. What do you like, Dave?
I think this one's a Harrier.
The Harrier? We didn't like the names so much, so we came up with our own. Mine is the peregrine falcon, because it's the fastest bird.
Mine is the bamboo, because it's the fastest growing plant.
Mine is the ESM 2000.
Or in German, 2000.
And mine is the Thunder. Because
Stand there. Alright, we've assembled our crew. We're ready to test our airplanes. Another thing you might want to do is give yourself a cool nickname. I'm going to be Maverick. Ella will be Goose. Georgia will be the Ice. And Uncle Dave will be Jester. So, ready? The last part, this is very important. You have to say this a lot, otherwise it just doesn't do well. You have to say, and you need a partner, I feel the need, and then the other people say, the need for speed. Ready? I feel the need
For speed.
The need for speed. That was terrible. Okay, first you gotta practice because you don't want to be embarrassed like us. Ready? I feel the need.
The need for
Need for speed. Okay, that was still like a 5. We're at a 5 now. We were at a 1 before. We're gonna do a high 5 next. Ready? I feel the need. The need for speed. How about go around?
What?
Yes. Do it now. on the wrong side. Yes! Look at that! Woo! Yes! I feel the need!
The need for speed.
Set, go! Woo! Oh! Oh!
I did a loopy-loop.
I don't know. I think
The need for speed.
first one.
Mine went farther.
That's why you have to wear sunglasses. Making them might have been a little bit frustrating, but flying them is definitely the best part. We can't wait to see what your airplanes look like and how far they go, or if they hit you in the face like ours did. See you soon.